In this video, we will show you how to assemble your Greenworks Pressure Washer, model GPW2000. This guide can be followed for all pressure washers of this style. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Tools required: you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's get started. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with the packing material and any loose unassembled parts. There is a nozzle cleaning tool in the bag with the manual. Carefully lift the pressure washer out of the box and set it down. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage occurred during shipping. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product and confirmed it works properly. Finish removing the packing material and flip the unit over so that the wheel mounts are facing up. Assembling the wheels. Insert the axle through the hole in the center of the wheel. Slide the axle into the wheel mounting hole. Place a washer on the axle and secure it with the cotter pin. Repeat on the opposite side and return the unit to the upright position. Installing the gun holder. With the open ends of the handle pointing down, align the gun holder with the threaded sleeves on the right of the handle. Flip the handle over. Using two of the screws, secure the gun holder from the back side of the handle. Installing the handle. Insert the upper handle into the lower handle arms. Push and hold the lock buttons on the sides of the handle and slide the upper handle into the lower handle until the lock buttons click into place. Hang the cord on the power cord storage arm. Install the wand. If your wand came with a protective cover on one end, this must be removed. Push the threaded side of the wand into the end of the spray gun and screw it on until secure. Place the gun into the gun holder. Unpack the turbo nozzle and install it in the rubber grommet on the upper panel. For videos on how to maintain and operate your pressure washer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks pressure washer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.